some technical difficulties with the green one back there. Oh, but I can't see it now because of this wood in the way. That green and yellow one was coming down, deflating. See, it's laying on its side over there. Right there. The dolphin. The dolphin is deflating.
Oh, it's the one with the sign too. Crushed by a balloon.
Some people got buried. Good thing it's not too heavy. They're taking these down. They're not going to fly because the winds are picking up and they have to be fully inflated like this before they can take off. And they were bumping into each other because of the wind. So we're not going to get all of them, but we'll get most of them.
Gonna get a serpentine belt and all the fixings to change the oil. So the no luck getting the serpentine belt from AutoZone today. It has to be special ordered, and seems like a real complicated thing to change on a 6.7 liter Power Stroke. So I'll just change the oil and the fuel filters today. But I'm gonna head to Nellis's Auto Hobby Shop to use their lift and whatnot and see if I can get it done there. Since I'm on base, it's always nice to come by and visit my old stomping grounds school that I used to go to. And there it is. Yeah, that was a fun 7 weeks. Okay, I'm in Bay 4. Auto Hobby Shop. Got my tools ready on the bench. Ready to go. Here's what we're changing at the top. First, I gotta take these 3 clips off and pull them off, and this whole unit comes out, twist it out, lift it up, and then I have this as a replacement. Should be easy. On the new one, it's got these tabs that go in, turn, and attach at the bottom of the cylinder assembly, and that little tab right there. Easy to put in. And here's the other filter we're going to change right here. Replace the seal, swap this out, and go from there. Time for the oil change. 5/8. I'm gonna get it over the edge there. Sometimes it shoots out. Just like that. Just made it. All drained. Good and snug. Cleans the whistle. Snug. Not with cat in. One. Two. All right. All done.
Show all the hearts again.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you gotta go left. How long is this video gonna be before it goes back to hearts? That's pretty cool.
Oh,
Wizard of Oz. So here we are.
Going to the concert.
I didn't tell him that's what we were doing.
We're going to the something.
Okay, we'll have to edit that out.
Yeah,
It was supposed to be a surprise.
Yeah, I think it's written all over the walls. It is what I'm looking at anyway.
Show me your coat. Oh, there it is. I got it. So that was exciting and fun.
It was great.
It was great.
It's good seeing Joe Walsh, probably one of his last concerts, I'm sure.
Yeah, they're all getting pretty old.
Getting slow, but still good though.
Yeah.
Knows what he's doing.
It's a good concert. So now you've all known by now that we went to the Eagles concert, and it was an early birthday present for me. My birthday's not for 2 months, but by the time you guys have already seen this, it'll probably have already been my birthday.
Yep. More likely.
Stay tuned for more stuff. Are you ready for this, Tinky? Yeah? You are? Ready to go?
We had a great time in Pahrump in Las Vegas, but it was time to head south to Cottonwood.
Meow. Meow.
There's no ice chest for you to step on this time.
You gotta hop.
There you go.
And now she's content.
She just wants to rub up on my water bottle.
Yep.
Get hair everywhere.
We made the mistake of listening to our GPS and took a wrong turn that ended up being a very windy road not meant for a trailer.
So close, very close. That's where we just came from. Wow. This is definitely a little mountain town. That is crazy. Wow. Oh, sorry. I know. You got it. Oh.
Gonna get better.
My goodness. I just can't get over this. I mean, the garages come right out onto this tiny, narrow road. Oh, it's kind of a sharp.
I might hit that one. Nope.
Oh, just missed it. Wow. Holy Family Church. This is really cool. Look at that cool house up there.
All right, here we go.
Okay. Had to stop and let our brakes cool down. And we hit a curb back here in that tight turn. No, not real damage, just oops. Scuffed up the tire right here. I'm not so sure we didn't hit the snap pads.
We definitely did.
Right there, yeah. Took a little bit of a chunk, worn it off.
Did what it's supposed to do, mostly.
Well, they're supposed to be for when the jacks are down, not keeping you from hitting curbs. That was a tight turn, though. It's crazy. So, we only got a little bit left to go. I think all the bad parts are behind us now. Definitely do not recommend taking this route to get to Cottonwood. Go through Flagstaff for sure.
This is Cottonwood Springs RV Resort. It's all gravel but had full hookups, and it was very quiet and clean. It's only about 15 minutes from downtown Sedona and wasn't badly priced at $345 for the week. We really liked it, and we would stay here again.
So today we are going to Montezuma Castle Monument in the Verde Valley in Arizona. We're going to go explore and see some ruins made.
Cliff dwellings.
Cliff dwellings built, I think they said.
Between 1100 and 1400.
Yeah.
So that's 900 years old, a long time ago, and has a 20-room, 5-story structure built into a limestone cliff. So that'll be interesting.
Yeah.
More to come.
So we're going to take you along with us for the journey.
very bright and it's very warm. Whew. Okay. We're gonna go get us a pass.
There's almost like a flood going on here.
I know, it looks like a flood. Man, it's really...
They really got
a lot of water here.
It's muddy too, so that's a thing.
Okay, well let's go get our pass and get to walking because they're gonna close soon.
Yep.
Take our little hike here. It's pretty impressive to think that they did this so long ago.
Between approximately 1100 and 1400.
I'm gonna try to zoom in. Up there. Yeah.
Right in there.
There we go.
There's a little lip right there. That thing right there is totally a lip.
Wow, it's really going pretty quick. It's good kayaking, huh?
Could be. A little dirty, but I bet it's cold.
I can see why they built here, because they have water.
Yeah.
Look how big that tree is across the way, though. Very easy trail to walk. It's all paved. It's not very long. We'll find a bigger, harder one tomorrow. All right, so we're gonna go to the, it's not the cathedral, it's a church.
Chapel?
Chapel, that's it. I'm glad we didn't come up here.
I know.
Oh, look at that house.
Yeah.
Man.
Amazing.
It's crazy rocks. I don't think I've ever seen a cactus blooming. You know?
Yeah. Oh yeah, the red.
Oh well, we didn't go up far enough. Because here's Cathedral Rock.
Yeah, so back in the car. Decided to do a little bit of trail walking anyway, even though this isn't the intended trail. It'll take us to the Cathedral Rock, but many more miles than we planned. That's a pretty cool view.
Oh yeah.
Look at all the lines.
See, I thought the trail went that way.
Oh, no.
Ooh, it's a big step. Oh.
Easy peasy. We're going. Whew, I'm on the top of
The world?
Hey, wait.
Looking down on creation?
Creation? No.
Lights too.
Oh, look at that. That is neat. Pretty cool. And that's where we came from. Bird right there.
Yeah,
I don't know if I can see it in my camera.
And you can see how you have this big rock, and then you have the little rock, and then you have those other ones.
Yeah.
From back there, you can, yeah, from back there, the other lady was telling us you can climb in between the two of those.
Okay, here we go.
Today we are going back to Sedona on the Soldiers Pass trailhead right here.
On a 4-mile hike?
Well, one app says it's 2 miles, so it'll be 2 down and 2 back. But when we talked to the park guy the other day, he said it was 4 miles, so it could be 8 miles.
No, I hope not.
So it could be 4 miles or it could be 8 miles. We'll let you know.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, this is the start. The trail. Off we go. Does it say on this one how many miles? Here you are here.
It's my handy dandy binoculars.
Handy
My
dandy.
Sunglasses.
You got your notebook
my
too?
backpack. Yeah, my handy dandy notebook.
It's pretty rocky. We're going downhill, so it means we have to come uphill coming back. Hopefully nobody falls, gets hurt. This one is supposed to be a sinkhole.
Yeah, there's a sinkhole along the way somewhere.
Yeah. According to the lady at the visitor center, she said that this sinkhole happened at the same time the earthquake happened in San Francisco
In 89.
Bay Area during the baseball game in 1989.
Hello.
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 How was it?
Great. It's beautiful.
Oh, good.
So tell them, you're almost there.
Yeah. Oh, that's what we do on our way back.
Yeah, you're almost there.
Okay, we made it to a sign. Jordan's that way. Soldiers Pass is this way. Ooh, look at that. Pretty.
Sun's hitting it just right, too.
Yeah. Really pretty. Well, we're gonna take you along with us. Hope you enjoy it. Well, we didn't have to walk very far. We're already here.
To the sinkhole.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh yeah, and there's that big tree that she talked about.
Yeah. Not that big
Wow.
as she explained, but
Oh, scary. Wow. Look at where that big chunk right there
yeah, how it fell off.
fell off.
Take my friend away because
There's a sinkhole behind us and it's pretty scary.
Yeah,
I don't
it's
want to get too close to the edge.
giant. Yeah, we don't want to get no closer.
Okay. Well, I wonder what the rest of the trail is then. So I thought this was at the end.
No. I've only walked 0.2.
Yeah.
It's the parking lot.
Crazy. Okay, well, let's continue on then. See what we find. So, on this mountain right here, there's this little band of rocks all the way around on the other side and behind us on the rocks behind us, and it looks like dental molding. Like wood dental molding, and people in the past thought we were talking about teeth, like actual dental molding. Yeah, it's pretty funny.
We don't know about teeth.
Yes, I've never built a house before because
Yeah. Or put any trim in it.
common verbiage for wood trim, dental molding. This is 7 sacred pools.
I think my
It turns out the 7 sacred pools are a series of small natural pools carved into sandstone along the Soldier Pass Trail.
Oh, look, all the way down. Cool. Wasn't so icky. Be a nice place to take a dip, huh?
Yeah.
All right, let's go on. Glad I put my deodorant on today. But I
Yeah.
wish I wore white.
Yeah. It's pretty much helpful.
It's pretty hot.
It's 80 degrees at least. And very blue skies. Some cloud, but
Clouds.
very
Wonder
blue.
if the airplanes caused those. chemtrails. We're all gonna die and get sick.
Yeah.
Getting down this sketchy hill.
Looks a little slippery.
Yeah, it does. Good thing there's a tree here to hold on to. Sure wouldn't be fun falling down there. I don't know. I don't know how I get John back up.
Yeah. I don't fall. I can climb up anything. When it's important, I can climb up anything.
You can climb, but you do fall a lot.
Not too often.
Look at the carvings.
Kind of rare.
Rock.
Neat.
All right, let's press on a little further. Just checking in, making sure we're going the right way. Which way?
To the right still.
No, the road.
So that goes to the road that, yeah, it goes
Oh,
back
you know what?
apparently.
There's another sign over here. Oh, to Trailhead, 1.5 miles this way.
What?
Yeah, so this
That's
is
not
a
far
loop.
enough.
But if you wanted to go farther, you could go that way.
Yeah, I want to go this way a little bit.
John just found a crystal.
Yeah, just right on the trail.
Right in the middle of the trail. Right, just in the middle of the dirt. Really pretty.
I don't see any
I don't know
more.
if you can see the sparkle or not, but okay. Here you go, pack rat. Put that in your pocket.
I'm going to clean it up.
This trail is off of the Soldier Pass Trail. And apparently, it takes you to a really cool cave. We will see. Okay, I'm officially dying. My heart rate is 157.
Mine's 140,
Yeah,
which is, pretty good.
you have a bigger heart.
Yeah.
Mine has to pump faster to keep up. Okay, there's supposed to be a cave up here. I don't know where. This reminds me of Moab.
Yeah.
Hiking to the arch. Where's the freaking cave? All right.
Look.
No, I said you could hike to it.
Trail marker.
Okay,
Yay.
X marks the spot.
Good deal.
Okay. People like it.
They just added a rock to it.
Well, only certain people understand what it is.
True.
This has been very hot and strenuous. Oh my goodness. Woo! That's the cave we're trying to get to. We're at the top. Almost. Wow. We're only almost 2 miles up. Cool.
They said you might see me cry on the way? Oh, funny. We're gonna try going up there. Goes a ways up. Wish us luck.
What do you think? Kind of hard? Easy?
Sandy is
Yeah.
slippery.
Not a whole lot of places to put your hand.
Oh, this is cool.
Oh, this is really cool.
Oh.
Yeah. Look down. No. No, I don't want to do.
Yeah, I'm ready.
I don't know about getting down. It's going to be crazy. We did it.
Made it all the way inside this cave. Don't know how we're gonna get out though.
That was crazy. This was a tough hike.
Yeah.
And I am so hot, but it's so cool in here.
Yeah. And we're only halfway because this is where we're turning around.
Yeah,
and going back.
we got to go back. But
yeah, look at that.
yeah, you had to climb up through this crack right here
Yeah.
where those girls are standing. Oh. And this is what it looks like up top.
Wow.
Wow. And all the way around and down. We're in a crack.
Yep.
Oh, here we go. Look at that.
And that's not a way down.
No.
I mean, not without major injury.
Yeah. Okay, ready?
Yep.
On our way down. Wait, let's see. How many miles was that up here? 1.83 to get here. Almost 2 miles to get here.
Yep. Mine's close to that too.
Yeah, but uphill, like rock climbing,
A lot.
like on both hands.
It's crazy.
Not just an uphill walk with stairs, it's actual climbing. Primary trail was only like a mile before we started hitting.
Yeah, I think it said 1.3, so it's like, that's not hardly anything.
So, on our way back down, we'll see you at the bottom.
You go through there.
That, I know, it's too late now. I'm already
We
here.
just need to bring a broom up here and dust these rocks off.
Yeah. I'm going this way.
Okay. And that's where we came from.
Yeah,
there.
this is better.
Neon ones that Jimmy has.
Made 2 of them. Now if you find this one, you'll see that one
Yep.
and go that way.
When we came up here to this big rock, we didn't know which way to go.
It was
There's
confusing.
no sign. And so this is what you do. And nobody did it. So I did it for them. Okay. So we are on our way back.
Yep. So I'm using the All Trails app. This is where we've already been, the blue line. And
But don't we have to make sure that this is downloaded before you go?
yeah, if you don't have a signal
If you don't have a signal, it'll keep working, right?
and you pay for the premium, then you can download the map first. Otherwise, it'll skip until you get a signal, and you'll just get like straight lines until you get a signal if you don't have it downloaded. I don't have it downloaded because I didn't want to pay for premium, but then I do pay for the premium on Onyx, and it makes it so much easier.
And we also use our Onyx map when we're hunting and when we're camping on BLM land to make sure that we are not on somebody's private property.
So exactly. And this one tells me where we're at exactly. The light green means like the city of Sedona owns it, and the dark green is the national park. So, and then if you get to the yellows, when you zoom out, which is up here and whatnot, that's all BLM land. So you can tell if you're on BLM land or national park or
right.
on
now
some.
Zoom in on it'll give you the name of who owns
And I tap that. It's Coquino National Forest. And it says how large it is. 414,000 acres.
Okay.
And it's pretty cool.
All right.
Good tool.
Very useful. Very helpful. Saved us a lot of times,
Yeah, it did.
especially if the All Trails doesn't work.
And boondocking.
Yeah, but I mean, I think even before you had All Trails, we had Onyx first.
We did.
So it's a very handy tool if you're going to be out and about. So we're not going back the way we came up. We took the split. When the trail came up, it came to a split, and you could go left and go 1.5 miles back to the trailhead or continue going up to the cave. And so we decided that on our way back, we would take the split and do this trail. This is for ATVs and hiking and mountain biking, but it's a lot better than the trail we came up because there's a lot of stumbling over rocks, up and down, slipping. So this is a little longer, but we're cheating going down. We're tired. We're old.
Yeah. Well, we made it back to the camper, and now it's time to cook a meal.
Back at the camper.
It's got some.
I think this pan will be big enough for one thing of noodles,
Absolutely.
right?
Yeah, for that one. Oh no.
What? Processed.
Just
I
a little.
know. Just a little.
Got some steaks going. Blackstone.
Ah, dinner time. Yes, finally. And this is really good.
It is.
After a day like today, whew, that was a major hike.
All right, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Helps us out a lot. It's right here. If you are confused where to hit the button, it's just right down here.
And come back and watch next week's video and we'll explain how this happened.
Okay,
Cut.
ready? Let's do it.
Let's do it.